Got enough, yeah, I'm set where I stand. Grateful for the day, for the life that I've planned. But there's a spark, yeah, deep in my soul. Hunger to grow, to keep pushing for more. Calm on the surface, got peace in my heart. But I know there's still more, that's just the start. I am blessed, I'm hungry, got fire inside. Taking it in, but I'm ready to rise. I want more, yeah, but I'm good with the wait. Grateful for now, yet reaching for fate. I look around, see all I've achieved, every step, every fall. The strength I believe, I'm grounded, I'm steady, but won't stay the same. The thrill of the climb, that drive in my veins. I'm not after fame, just the power to grow. Satisfied here, but still craving that flow. I'm blessed, I'm hungry, got fire inside. Taking it in, but I'm ready to rise. I want more, yeah, but I'm good with the wait. Grateful for now, yet reaching for fate. Living in balance, not chasing the gold. Content in my heart, yet fiercely bold. Blessed and hungry, I'm calm yet alive. Embracing the moment.